This color is so beautiful.
Bruh.
Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new juicer that I purchased off Amazon. It is the Qcen power juicer and it's 800 watts. I bought this juicer a few days ago. I bought this juicer off Amazon and it was under $60, I'm sure, under 60, which I'm also going to put the price on the screen here. And then I want to say they had 3 different colors. We have some pamphlets on the inside, and there's a pamphlet here for healthy recipes, and this is like a nice guide for someone who's a beginner like me on juicing. I think this is pretty nice. It also comes with a thank you card from the company and a owner's manual. All right, so underneath the booklets was a brush here, and I believe this is an inside piece that goes into the juicer. So let's take that out. Then this is the juicer itself. Okay, so that was everything inside the box. And this color is beautiful. Look at this color, it is so pretty. And I got this color because I plan on changing my kitchen to this color. I believe it's just so pretty. So inside the top piece here, this, I'm not exactly sure what it is yet. I have an idea, but and a little brush. We put this back in the box. So we just have a standard 2-prong outlet, or power cord, I should say. This color is so beautiful.
Bruh.
I'm gonna put all the plastic back in the box so it won't be things everywhere. But as you all seen, as I was trying to take off the plastic, this popped off here. And on the inside, there's another container. Another container here with a lid. So let's take everything out of the plastic. And at the bottom, there are suctions. So that's a good, can you hear it? Suctions. And look at that. So it looks like this container, the max is 500 milliliters. Not sure if you all can see that. 500 milliliters. And the brush. As an addition, along with this juicer, I also purchased a food strainer, which I purchased off Amazon, which I'm going to put the price right here. And I also purchased a 12-piece 16-ounce container to put the juices in for when I do batching. Now these stickers came with the containers. You like the labels in, and the containers are here. Now it's a 12-piece and they are 16 ounces each. Plastic containers, which I later found out that it's best to put your juices in glass containers. But plastic container here, 16 ounces with a standard twist cap. All right, if you would like to purchase any of these items, I'm going to leave the links down below in the description box.